Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on shooting. I'm going to be shooting my 243 rifle and my 9mm pistol. So this right here is my 243 rifle. It's standard Stevens issue Savage, and it's a 243. I got a little butt cheek rest on there that holds all my bullets, and it's a bolt action. It's got a banner scope on it, made by Bushnell. It's only about a 9 power scope. Ain't too bad. It gets the job done. But also got this 9mm by Taurus. So gotta make sure it's clear. I got the magazine, all that good stuff. Yeah. We got these cheap bullets that I want to use right now. I bought these in like a bulk from Cheaper Than Dirt. This holds about 18 rounds, this magazine that I bought for it. The standard holds about 12 only. Not too bad. This is the regular one, but this is the 18 round mag. So we're just gonna load this up. Put that in there. The thing I like about this pistol is, if you look down right there, this little part, it pops up whenever there's a round in the chamber. I'm going to put it on safe for right now. It's just like any other bolt action rifle. You put the bullet right there, snap it down, and it stays in there with like a box spring inside of it. It's not bad. So the round that I'm shooting today is a Hornady American Whitetail. It's got 20 rounds per box. Not a bad round. And it's a 100 grain. So the target we're shooting today is this Haji Bob right here. You can see him. He's hiding behind this wall. And got a makeshift IED. We want to make sure we disarm that IED before he. So we got the target down range, and we want to disarm the IED like I said before first. So good enough. Let's see what kind of damage we did. It hit a little to the way it was sitting, a little to the left. That's perfect. We got him. Put another round in, and then we want to hit it. And we got him dead center of the head. Look at that. He's pretty much done. I'd have to say this IED is definitely not a problem for our troops anymore. Look down at it. Got a few good rounds on it. And see what happened to the battery. It's pretty much mush right now. All of it. The screen's broken. Look at that. Yep. Yeah, that IED's not gonna cause us any more problems. Thank goodness. Yeah, you can see the battery is just all destroyed. And little tiny entrance wound, big old exit wound. Imagined it, that being the Haji. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work anymore. We got our Taurus PT111 9mm, as you can see. So we got our PT111 right here. Look, you can probably see it. But yeah, it's loaded. We're ready to shoot. So we got Haji Bob down there. Shoot him in the head. Clear. Magazine out.